Hello, dear creatives. Welcome to Simsworths online flower class. My name is Oluyinka Oduwabi. We're showing you something lovely again this today. And first of all, I have to show you the measurement of the wording I'm using. This is the cover of a bottle, and we're using 3 centimeter. So for you to know that I will also be showing you what I'm going to be using as the accessory. So, and eventually we might be using um, mercury fabric, and the measurement we're using is 8.5. Is 8.5. So let's get started. I've already cut the ones I'm doing, and I'm going to burn, but there is a way I want to burn it, so you have to check. I'm going to roughen. Yeah, this is it. Let me do the second one again. So this is it. Now I'm going to fold into 2 equal halves and into 4 now, and I'm going to burn it here, not here this time around, here. So the same thing again, fold into half, check first where it's going to be, then into 4. I'm not burning this place now, I'm burning the joining. So now I have this. I'm going to use only 8 pieces of it, and this is what I'm using. So now I'm going to, for it to also, for you to be sure of it, I'm just going to give a small dab, and so I'm going to do that to all of them now. It's not all that is I've finished doing, but now look at this. The wording you're going to use, fold it. I want to have all the sharp edges, and fold it into 4. So I want to have the sharp edges of it, so I have it like in a north, south, east, west. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a small gum, then on that part I do it like this. Can you see? So again, you can go opposite it, or you can start from from this side. Anyhow that it's convenient, you're free to. You're free to do it anyhow you like. So you first of all check whether you have placed the glue on that. Then I hope you've seen why I used a smaller version now. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do the bigger version too in another way. Can you see what? So even if you like, you can put your glue stone, the accessory you want to use, but I will continue. I have 8 of it down for me to use. Then I'm going to put it not the same direction, not the same, but in between now. Can you see in between this? I'm going to place it in between. I don't want to place it directly on that. So now this again, press it down, adjust everything to know that everything is okay. Then your gum. Then again in between, can you see in between it? Also making sure they are all equal. Don't let it be too in, so you can always bring it out. Then adjust whenever you're doing that. Let this one be equal to. And so now in between again. Then the last one. So if you have a 4 of this, you can always do 4. And if you have more than that, so can you see what I've done? So you can now roughen it so that it will bounce very well. Then what you now do is this is what I'm using. So I now put carefully, then I place in the middle. Wow. And you see, let me show you. This is the back, and that is another way of you doing your flower. If you like, you can use your hair clip. You can use your hair clip. We have hair clip of different various sizes, so it depends on what you want to. Different sizes. We have the long one, we have the short ones. So depending on what you want. So what I'm just going to do is the usual way I do it. I'll use hair clip this time around. Then it's going to be the same size that I'm using, and that's is this your first time of joining this class? You're highly welcome. Thank you very, very much. Before you leave, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. and like my page. This will encourage that anytime you have something unique that you want to give your customer, you're sure that Simsworth is always there for you. If you want group orders, of course, you can always come to me. We do group orders for bridals, friends of bride, and whatever, the choir. So you can always trust me that you get something lovely. So now I'm going to just place this over it. Then you can add your label and you're good to go. You can use it as lapel pins. If you have lapel pins, I'll show you how you can also use your lapel pins, and you can use virtually. You can use it for anything. You can do the bigger version. I'll do a bigger version for you to see how lovely it will also look. Thank you for joining the class. I hope you really enjoyed the class. God bless you. See you in the next class.